Good morning, YouTube. So I was out for a ride yesterday, a gravel ride in some super cool places. And I was recording on Instagram, but I was like, man, I need to get some better footage of this stuff and make a YouTube video out of all this. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm gonna go ride through Redlands, through like one of the most popular spots in Redlands to ride, Sunset Drive. It's a nice ridge with all the multi-million-dollar houses and stuff. Starting in Yucaipa, where I live, gonna blast down to Redlands. Should be like a quick 2-hour ride. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Should be a good one. Got to ride through the country a little bit up here in Yucaipa before we get there. Which is also beautiful. Now we got this climb up into Redlands. Nice little short climb. Get the blood pumping. Ride yesterday, gravel ride. Man, it kicked my ass. It was a good hard gravel ride. I mean, only like 30 miles, and I think it was about 3,500 feet of climbing. That's not much on a road bike, but man, on gravel, 30 miles for me is a good amount. I'm a little bit sore, but this will be my recovery ride, you know. I'm a weekend warrior. I work Monday through Friday, so I try to get 2 decent rides in on Saturday and Sunday. I want to ride on the weekdays a little bit too after work, but man, that's just tough. You get home, you got a lot of stuff to do. Got to spend time with the lady. And it's been hot lately, so you try to wait till it cools off, but it's getting pretty dark by the time it cools off. And now we're getting into fall, and it's gonna be dark by the time I get home. So weekend warrior it is. And that nice pink tree. It's nice this weekend though. The high's been in the 80s. Right now it's 66. So like perfect riding weather. I should be done with this ride by the time it's about 80 degrees. Which is good for me. I try not to ride anything hotter than 90 is my max. I mean, sometimes I will, like during the peak of summer when you have to. But you feel that shit big time. Especially while you're climbing or something. This is our turn up the hill right here. 17th Street. Got a tiny bit of climbing through these neighborhoods real quick. I'll see you on the other side. So I'm gonna buy the new GoPro 10. just because my credit card has $150 off on it, and that's beyond all the sales they got going on. They're really pushing that thing. I mean, I think the coolest feature is the 4K 120 FPS, so you can just be recording in 4K and pull out slow motion shots. And then the fact that you can get good stills out of your video as well. And you know, if I'm gonna record YouTube videos, it's kind of nice to have two GoPros, one for like handheld and one for the chest mount. I'm gonna try to record all the good rides around here, gravel and road. This is my favorite road loop, when you just want to get a quick ride out and not, you know, ride all day. It's about 30 miles, 1,500 feet of climbing. Do it in an hour and a half or 2 hours. Through some real nice scenery. I mean, you want to keep all your rides in nice scenery if possible, right? I used to live in Fontana. I just moved to Yucaipa a couple months ago. In Fontana, I mean, there's nice scenery around it, but in the town, it's fucking nasty. I mean, you got people trying to hit you on purpose for no reason, just because, I don't know, they're mad, they're not riding a bike or whatever. The streets are shit. You know, debris everywhere, no bike lanes. But here in Yucaipa, Redlands, everybody's nice, everybody's happy. I mean, there's some bumpy roads in Yucaipa and stuff. That's kind of like the country. But you can also just ride to Redlands, which is like the cycling capital of the Inland Empire. Anybody that lives around here that's a cyclist knows about Redlands. Nice bike cafes. People wave at you while they're driving by. It's good stuff. Plenty of hills. Morning. Morning. That is one thing about living here, though, is there are no flat rides, which I enjoy. I don't really like to do flat rides anyway. I like to get some good climbing on every ride. I don't know, I like to challenge myself while cycling, you know. Some people just want to be casual and cycle, which is, you know, to each their own. Respect all that. And some people like to feel like they're gonna die sometimes. We're getting into the nicer neighborhoods here. Tons of cyclists around, coming up on this more popular area. Already starting to see them. Look at these houses though, man. Jesus. Super nice. Some modern, some just normal, some mansions, everything in between. Houses on both sides have views because we're right on the saddle of the mountain right now. You got canyons that way. And then the city view that way. For those wondering what kind of bike I'm on a 2014 Ridley Phoenix aluminum. All stock, 105 gears, 10 speed. Except for the only thing that's not stock is the wheels. Morning, guys. Got some lightweight Vision KOM carbon tubeless with the 5000 GP Continental tubeless tires. This bike's like a tank though. Never have problems with it. Keep it well maintained, you know, just like any bike, and you don't have problems. So we have a new law coming up in California for cyclists that we only have to treat stop signs like yield, which is fucking awesome. I mean, that's how I roll anyway. It's more safe. You know, have you ever trained Kim to a stop sign that's busy and you unclip and wait for cars? And I mean, it's your turn, you try to clip in, you're trying to rush. The car that's coming to the left or right of you is like already halfway out to the intersection. That's just stupid. I feel like the safest way is just to time it with the car going in the same direction as you are. And just go right next to them if you can, you know, if it's a busy intersection. But if it's a clear intersection, like, there ain't no reason to stop. People in cars don't understand. They're like, oh, you should have to follow the laws of the road. It's like, man, we can't just push a pedal and go. It takes us a second to get going, you know? Come on now, come on. Jesus. Coming to the bottom of the hill now. There's a nice little bike cafe over here to the left. I'm not gonna hit that up today. I got carbs in one of my water bottles, and then I have a little snack if I need it too. That's pretty much all I need for a ride like this. Pretty short ride. So I was telling you about the bike. Here it is, 2014 Ridley Phoenix aluminum. Some Vision wheels. It's an old bike. I bought it brand new. I do want to get a new bike. All the climbing I have around here, this bike kind of doesn't cut it with the 105 gearing, 10 speed. I mean, I do it, but I'm pedaling at like 50 RPM. I want to get a couple bikes that I want to get to choose from. First on the list is a Scott Addict. Super nice bike. Second would probably be a Canyon Ultimate. And then third would be a Specialized SL7. You know, hopefully with at least Ultegra 11 speed. Obviously I wouldn't get nothing less than 11 speed these days. Yeah, I mean, I'm even thinking about just upgrading this guy to 11 speed Ultegra. I don't know, I'll see how my finances go. Depends. Or I might just keep riding this how it is forever. Who knows? Check out this church though, man, that's crazy. Still in Redlands, getting up to where the orange groves start, and crosses over to the country into Yucaipa. Yeah, it's been an awesome ride so far. Here we are getting into the country. Some nice scenery over there. Little country road. Got orange groves, hills. Fucking bees, man. Bees everywhere. Holy shit. They're swarming me right now. I've gotten stung by bees like twice on rides so far. I think I'm out of them. Must have pissed them off. This is about the hardest climb of the ride right here. Sand Canyon. Oh shit, I still got bees on me. Come on, bees. I ain't trying to fuck with you. I'm just trying to do a ride, man. Leave me alone. Man, I was riding with the buddy Oscar in Riverside a while back. I got stung by a bee under my right eye. I mean, it didn't mess me up too much. It hurt at first, but you know, no big deal. But damn, I felt that shit for like 6 months. I don't know if the stinger got left in there or what. It was itchy though, forever. It was annoying. Gosh damn bees. I guess that's part of riding through the country though, or riding through orchards. What is this? This is like a 5% grade climb. It ain't nothing. It's pretty short. Heart rate's only at like 160. So easy. Got some avocado grows over there. Big old avocados on those trees. And I can feel the temperature just raising as I climb. That's one thing about Yucaipa. This is like the hill in between Redlands and Yucaipa. This hill kind of blocks all the onshore flow. So while it gets colder here at night, once the sun comes out, it heats up a lot faster. But then the peak temperature is not as hot either as it is in the valley. Just a lot of sun. I mean, it's only 70 degrees right now, but that sun is warm. Good old SoCal. I busted out that climb. Here's a good old hometown of Yucaipa. Good old Yucaipa boy. Crafton Hills College right there. Now it's all rolling hills all the way home. Yeah, so I said how I post on Instagram. I mean, I make stories of pretty much every ride on Instagram. So I'll put my Instagram name on the screen or whatever, or link it down below, or both, so you guys can check that out if you want. My Instagram's pretty much mostly for cycling. I'll post some normal life shit on there sometimes. Yeah, this is to the left here. It's Crafton Hills. It's freaking super nice gravel spot. One of my mains for gravel. A gravel bike is a 2021 Specialized Diverge. So comp carbon. So that's like my gravel bike for life right there. Pretty much all you need. It has a stock aluminum DT Swiss wheels. I do want to upgrade those to probably some Reynolds carbon gravel wheels. Other than that, that bike is ready to rock, man. Has the Altegra level GRX gravel group set. That'll pretty much climb anything. You know, up to like 20% grade probably. After that, you're just not going to have enough traction on a gravel bike anyway. But yeah, with this nice view, it's going to be about where I sign off. Hope this video came out good. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to try to post, you know, kind of regularly, at least make a video of all the super cool rides around here. Gravel and road. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.